Your Highness, Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, Your Royal Highness, Crown Prince Haakon of Norway, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, please thank our aluminium band, Weapon of Sound. Aluminium is a remarkable material. It touches all our lives. It enables us to create more fuel-efficient cars, lighter planes, and more energy-efficient buildings. It can be infinitely recycled and transformed into new products. This extraordinary material is created here in Qatar, where we have come together to celebrate the integration of Qatalum, one of the largest and most technologically advanced aluminium plant in the world. This achievement could not have taken place without the vision and wisdom of His Highness the Emir and the strategic plans he has inspired to prepare Qatar for a diversified, sustainable, and successful future. In the next hour, we're going to take on a journey from bauxite to aluminium, from Norway to Qatar, and from a vision to a reality. Our story is one of progress and technological breakthroughs. Its characters are Qatalum's people and staff, whose expertise and knowledge have created a world-class facility here at Said. The chapters of our story introduce a progressive company, a company which is technologically advanced, environmentally responsible, and focused on meeting the world's current and future needs. Most importantly, this is the story of how dedication, partnership, and commitment have all together combined to achieve an ambitious goal and launch a great success. Let us take a look at the people who have brought this great project to life.
The main mission behind Qatalum is really to be able to build an aluminium plant that can produce aluminium to the global needs based on the best available technology and based on the best available production facilities.
There is no transaction can be successful without having an excellent and coordinated business with the partners. And I think that was one of the most important pillars in achieving the success on this transaction.
Hydro's relationship with Qatalum has developed over 40 years. Qatar Petroleum and Qatar has industrial strategy. We can contribute with technology, with project management competence, with operational competence, and Qatar Petroleum is contributing with competitive energy. This is a very good combination and is the basis for success of Qatalum.
Qatalum is an added value to Qatar, and especially to Qataris, to have such a huge project in Qatar. For Qatar to come to the metal industries, I think it's a value for Qatar, for the country itself, for also the people of Qatar.
We have managed to start this plant within the committed due dates. We are now in a ramp-up program, and I think we meet the overall expectations.
Qatalum will create a lot of value for the owners, but also create a lot of jobs in Qatar. This is a competence-driven industry. To produce aluminium requires advanced technology. It requires people with education. It requires people with capabilities to produce aluminium that will be regarded as one of the top quality metals for the future.
My name is Stephen Atogo. I'm a metal tapping operator. My job is to tap hot metal and transfer it to the cast house. Every work is hard depending on how you look at it, but I try to do the first right thing at the first time, you know. It's like a chain, so you need to give your best so that nobody suffers. As usual, we meet here in the morning, we join the bus to the work premises, we meet our supervisor for the daily report, then we do our 10 minutes pep talk on safety. Upon our arrival, we're given a lot of intensive program. They took us through the basic course and HSC program, that's health and safety. That's a prerequisite for every worker in Qatalum.
How are you guys today?
Okay, sir.
Okay? Take it easy. You can start your job. If there's any problems or anything, just contact me. My name is Khalid Al-Shayban. I'm a tapping and transportation supervisor. My responsibility is to tap the metal from pot line and deliver to cast house, and delivering anodes to the pot line operation. We need to have a very good communication between all operators and supervisors. At the end of the day, we try to keep production running and everyone safe and happy.
The production process that we have in Qatalum is of course built up by 4 core operating units. It's the power plant, it's the carbon plant, it's the reduction plant, and it's the product cast house. All those 4 components have been designed and fine-tuned to an optimum design capability. If we have cast facilities that can operate, I'm personally very supportive of buying components if that is necessary to make sure that we are training the people and running as efficient as possible. We have to deliver stable energy production from the power plant. We have to develop and utilize the carbon plant to its full extent, and of course highly efficient reduction in the pot line, and of course a good product portfolio in cast house with high quality products to the customers.
My name is Steinar Vigus. I'm the technical manager in the project. My role is to try to coordinate all the technical issues in the project together with all the other team members responsible for the different areas. This project is like building a complete town in the middle of the desert. It's the biggest project I have ever been in. The size of the area where we are building is actually 260 football fields. The amount of people that should work here when it's finished is only 1,100. But when we are now constructing it, we have been up to 22,000 people working with it.
My name is Qatalum Opening Ceremony. I'm the logistics manager here in Qatalum. When I arrived at Qatalum, gradually the construction is started, and we see that the Qatalum plant coming out of the sand. It was an amazing thing to see. At the same time, I was establishing the logistic department, where at that time there was no logistic department at all in this area.
You promote Qatar, but you don't go too deep on that, and you forget the core that you are going for there.
We can nominate some of the graduates, or we can discuss who can we send to represent the Qataris.
I have to look for professional employees that they can handle shipping, they can handle documents, that they can handle tracking all these areas need to be filled. Luckily, we wanted to add locally, internationally, and we were lucky to get the people that I have right now on the team. And I'm proud of what we have achieved today.
Here I have my mobile tapping vehicle that we call MTV, metal tapping vehicle. It takes 3 people to do this job that this equipment is doing, and it's more efficient. What we use here is the Apex. We use the Apex to fetch the order. It's a web-based application to monitor and control the reduction process. What I'm doing right now is to take metal from the pot and just take it to the cast house.
Qatalum is one of the most modern plants ever built, and I think that is one of the main advantages for this site. We have a lot of advanced technology. Thank you. Thank you. We're going to the cast house now because I have some problem with the cooling system. My favorite things with this job is to get people together and solve the difficult technical tasks. I think they have to crack some cement here and make some new lines. So it's very important that everyone then be a part of this project and try to do it as best as we can.
Productivity among the workforce seems to be the key driver in the future for any plant producing aluminium.
The value of Qatalum, from my point of view, actually it is the added value to our country as far as the social impact and also the excellent operation and environment integrity that's part of our mission of our company.
I strongly believe that the energy and trustworthiness is important factors that people, when they are cooperating and working together, it's highly motivated people, they're happy people, they like to work together, and we are building a highly multi-skilled and global competitive workforce which is really engaged and enthusiastic, and that builds on and develops the respect that we need to have among each other.
I work with a lot of nationalities from all over the world. After work, when we are less busy, football brings us together.
It's a lot of teamwork, and I think all the different nationalities going very nice together. They are doing a good job for Qatalum and trying to do their utmost to make this a successful project.
My vision, if I look beyond where we are today, is that Qatalum is absolutely the best and most competitive smelter in the world.
I feel proud that we have managed to do this huge project. I think it will be successful in the future because of the quality built into it and also the good people that are running it now.
It is a fantastic feeling, knowing that this smelter is not only a smelter for the next 10 years, but for immense time into the future.
We are very excited, and we are very proud also to see the time that we spend, the effort that we put in that project. We can see really the result now, and we feel very proud.
There's an atmosphere in this company that everybody in the future, when they sit with their grandchild on the lap, they will be pretty proud when they are talking about how they were part of building the Qatalum plant from land of sand into a fully functioning plant.
Qatalum is pioneering a new industrial sector for Qatar. We are a vibrant example of how the state's diversification vision is being delivered. Our long-term investment in people and infrastructure is helping Qatar's economic development and driving future growth. We are also making significant contribution to the Qatari economy. In time, Qatalum will generate around $1.5 billion of income per year, representing around 5.5% of GDP. This contribution will make an immediate difference while building prosperity for the future generations. So how did this story come about? It began in 2004 when Qatar Petroleum and Norsk Hydro began to explore the opportunity. In 2006, we became strategic partners in a joint venture. Since then,